Ever asked ChatGPT something and gotten a completely confident, totally wrong answer? That's AI hallucination, and RAG architecture is how we fix it. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it as giving your AI a research assistant and a fact checker rolled into one. Here's how it works. When you ask a question, RAG first searches through a database of reliable documents to find relevant information. Then it feeds that context to the AI model, which generates an answer based on actual facts, not just patterns in its training data. The magic happens in 3 steps. Retrieve relevant documents, assemble the context, then generate a grounded response. It's like having an AI that can actually look things up before answering. This is why RAG-powered systems give you citations, stay current with new information, and dramatically reduce those embarrassing hallucinations. It's not just smarter AI, it's trustworthy AI.